Mixed up and tangled up. So I have the written version, so Diane's going to say it in English and I'm going to try to say it in Ojibwe. Okay. And this is Weneboozhoo's bird party.
Okay. A long time ago, Weneboozhoo said, there will be a big dance today. All the birds will come here. Everyone will have a good time. Make different sounds. Dance hard. Nobody can see. Everyone will dance blindfolded. So that's what they did. They danced hard. They sang loud. One bird thought, what's going on here? Nobody could see what's going on here. Secretly, he peeked at Weneboozhoo to see what he was doing. As many as he could catch, he broke off their necks and threw them on the side. The one that saw him hollered, hey, Weneboozhoo is killing us. Everyone got scared. They ran out. The one that hollered was slow running out. Weneboozhoo was mad when he saw the one who hollered. He stepped on him and broke his back. His eyes are red. So that is how he looks today. The duck they call the hell diver.